let's look at the modeling improvements we've made to assembly modeling, including some much needed graphical updates, like highlighting the hidden sections of components. Inventor has enhanced its bolted connection functionality to now support assembly feature patterns, broadening the scope of design capabilities for users. This update allows for both normal assembly feature patterns and those within weldments to be utilized for bolted connections. It now accommodates all types of assembly patterns, including rectangular and circular, and the update ensures the compatibility with both bi-hole and concentric placement methods, aligning with the functionality seen in part feature patterns, thereby maintaining a consistency and user experience across the different workspaces. A cylindrical envelope option has been added to create the newly appointed oriented minimum bounding cylinder. This new feature allows for more precise model simplification by fitting a cylindrical envelope around components, offering an alternative to the traditional rectangular prism. This enhancement is particularly beneficial for models requiring tighter tolerances, as it closely aligns with the original model's shape and size. We've enhanced our visualization capabilities with the introduction of a new separate color scene display. This can be toggled to various settings and also customized via the color scheme editor of any given in-canvas color scheme. Being a single designer in a 5,000 part assembly can sometimes feel as daunting as being in a 100,000 part assembly. So we've added the ability to toggle colors from a view, tab, or separate top-level assemblies, and then differentiate them between different types of components, significantly improving the clarity of these intricate assemblies. This tool is also compatible with section views and is directly related to efficient management and comprehension of your increasingly complex designs.